it down in a lot of stages. Eventually it's going to have Magnuson supercharger, 426 bottom end, big fuel system with it, built transmission, Nitrous, all the other jazz stuff that we're going to run with it. So,
nice, man.
You know, we're running 10.5s. I think it's got a 10 flat or a real easy 9 in it in its current setup. And as long as we can get some wheels and tires on, we'll be.
You're a bad boy. Yeah. So Chris, we're talking about possibly adding nitrous. What's the risk? We got pros, cons. What we got to look at first?
I mean, there's always risks with nitrous. The thing that we want to do, or to properly set up the nitrous, is set up as many safety features, functions in it as possible. So bottle pressure switches, fuel pressure switches, things like that. So if something does happen, the nitrous won't work.
Gotcha.
And you want to set up on a window switch so it's on and off when we tell it to. You don't got to push a button. You know, pressures need to be spot on nitrous. So
gotta work. The tuning. One thing I had a question about. So with this car, do you think you have to do like a summer tune and a winter tune, or is that like a, you know?
With the Killer, not too much. But
okay.
With nitrous,
yeah.
So we'll have a nitrous tune and a non-nitrous tune.
Gotcha.
So we'll need that because with nitrous we got to pull some timing out.
Yeah.
So you lose a little bit of power off nitrous, but you gain whatever the shot is on top of it with nitrous.
Got it.
It's kind of a toss-up. So what we would do is when we're not going to run the nitrous and we're just beating up on some Mustangs, whatnot, that are real easy, you know, we won't run the nitrous, but when we're trying to take out GTRs and P100Ds, things like that,
put that on.
Yeah, we're gonna put the sauce on it, and then we'll go to tune, give them a big shot of nitrous, and make sure they can see the tail lights real nice and clear.
Hell yeah.